Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of HTML series. Today in this video we will discuss about HTML comments. Now see guys, what are HTML comments? HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help us to recognize our previous code that what we have written. Now let's understand this concept guys with an example. Suppose one day you have written a code, but after a few months you want to edit that code, but you don't know now what was the code about. So to remember that code, we have HTML comments here guys. So okay guys, so without wasting time, let's see guys how to implement this code in our document. Now see guys, I have a HTML document here, and in this document I have two buttons, this one and this one. I have made two buttons, okay, this one and this one. Now see how they looks like. It looks like this one and this one. And now I want to remark these two buttons, that what this button is about and what this button is about. Okay. To remark both buttons, we will use comment tag here guys. So see how to implement this code. See, first of all use your less than bracket, and now use your exclamatory mark, and now double dash. Okay, and in between them you can write anything. Suppose I am writing that this button is about opening new page. Okay, and close it with double dash and closing. Okay, now I have made a comment here guys. See, this is my comment, and this comment is telling me about this button. Okay, so whenever I will open this page, and this comment will tell me that what was the button was about. Okay, what this button was about. And similarly here, okay, I'm making a comment here with exclamatory mark here and double dash, and between them you can write anything. Suppose this is a submit button. Okay guys, now see I have made another comment also, and this comment is telling me about this button, that what was the button about. So this is a submit button, and you can see here the comment is not appearing in our browser, only buttons are appearing in our browser. Okay, so this is cool guys and very helpful for us, this comments. Goodbye, take care.